fair. You just ate my friend. Well, he's not my friend. He's trying to kill me, but still. You're trying to kill me as well. And yours is a lot more painful death.
I'm filming.
Now? Like,
They already seen you.
Was this a warning or was it? I don't know. I don't know. Fuck! Haha! Ha! Zombie can't eat my goal. Crap. Start over.
I'm smothering him.
Oh, I just said my name. You can't. Yourself. Greg, would you let yourself breathe?
I would if I could.
Breathe. Hey, breathe.
He's talking.
He's breathing.
Yay!
He's breathing. He's breathing. He's really breathing. They laugh. They talk.
Then you're breathing.
My head's big compared to yours.
Your body's big compared to his. Oh. Greg, no killing yourself. It's my house, not yours.
I'm smothering him.
You're allowed to kill yourself at your house, but not mine. Don't choke Avery!
It feels funny.
Guys, no killing yourself at my house.
Oh.
You're no killing each other. Greg.
I'm not killing him.
It feels weird. Feels nice.
You're choking him!
I'm giving him pain. That isn't killing, it's...
No giving pain at my house.
Doesn't feel pain,
Right.
it feels comfortable.
Oh, well, he's feeling comfortable, see?
No giving pain.
Ah.
Comfortable.
No giving pain at my house. It's a new rule. Ooh, onion ring. Yeah, no, I don't want an onion ring. I want this onion ring. No. Guys, what onion ring should I have? What onion ring? Ow! Should I have? Should I have this one, guys? This onion ring? Oh, no.